Good day, everyone. Nice to see some smiley face on you. Today, I'm going to talk about the topic about happiness. Um, According to the World Happiness Report in 2025, Finland is the happiest country in the world. Do you ever wonder where's Malaysia ranking? Out of 140, Malaysia is in the ranking of 64. Compared to last year, it's actually dropped. In Asia, it's even the fifth after Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines. Malaysia is the fifth one. All right. So I'm going to share some traps why we caught into not happy. Alright. So the first one is comparison trap. It could be our culture to compare with this modern world, right? Whenever you wake up in the morning, you open up the YouTube, you see the YouTuber share the luxury house. Wow, walk through the luxury room. You all felt, why am I such a failure compared to them? You compare to them. Okay. And then you swipe your Facebook, you see, wow, people surrounding you, traveling to Europe, to Japan. Where am I? Still stuck in Kuli. The farthest is Penang. Alright. Something wrong with me. So it getting myself pressure. Okay. Then the next trap, when we got it, we want more. This is called the more trap. What does this mean? We always increase our satisfaction bar higher and higher over time. When we got this, we want better, upgraded version, better house, better AI technology, equipped with all the newest technology. So we never get into a satisfaction, and we might call it into the car loan pressure. All those things will come later. Last, this is the most saddest one, which is never-ending trap. Try to imagine yourself as the little hamster running into wheel. What are they busy for? Have you ever wondered? Daily life, you are so busy. What do you busy for? Alright. Sorry. Yes? Issue? I'm presenting right now. Can you wait for a while? I need to be there. Okay. Else I need to write post-mortem. Alright, okay. Give me some time. Okay, sorry. I'll be back online. Yeah. Calm down. Okay. What do you see from this glass?
Half filled.
Half filled. How about this table? Half empty. Alright, good. Thanks for the feedback. So now I'm going to shift how we're going to overcome these three traps. I have three ways for you. Alright. The first one, talk about the focus shift. Same thing, same glass. You can see full or empty. You can choose which focus area you want to be, right? So we have good and bad, happy, unhappy. Which one you want to choose? Right? So it's up to you. Try to look from the positive angle, right? So that you can be less pressure. Next, we always say that money can't buy happiness, right? So it's true. Experience is more than possession. Okay. So we gain the experience with our family. Even we have a very old house, never upgraded, but we still feel the happiness because the memories will last longer and get enriched over time. That is the precious thing we have. Lastly, try to have the time boundary. What does it mean? You try to set a time limit. The most common one is work-life balance. After work, just shut down the work-related alert. All right. Have some me time, maybe 1 hour per day. Okay. So you can have time to reflect yourself. What am I busy for today? Is this busy for something? Busy for nothing? So it reminds me about some story with my mother-in-law. So she got the stroke and she can't really walk, but she is still a happy person. She still can sing happily, and then she always provides some advice to me. And one day, she got admitted into hospital because of the lung cancer. And then I hate hospital because hospital, you can see a lot of people suffering. We are not happy. But she felt glad because her beloved family is besides her. This is her focus area. So I can still remember the memory with her. That is the wonderful moment I'm with my family with her. And she teach me that life is short. Why you choose to be not happy? While you can choose to be happy. All right. Thank you.